Welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. Now, news just in. The Velocity Fest track and field meet, which is set for March 22, looks set to be the first event staged on the freshly relayed National Stadium track. When TVJ Sports visited the National Stadium on Monday, the lane markings had started, and Bruce James, who chairs the organizing committee for the series of Velocity Fest track and field meets, revealed the development.
I would dare to say that we're not lucky but blessed. So we're very thankful that things are working out for us. We had planned the date of the Velocity Fest many moons ago for Saturday, March 22nd, right here in the National Stadium. And to serve as the tester and the first to get to compete on this track would be a real honor, and World Class Athletics looks forward to that.
The lanes and other markings of the track are set to resume on Friday. The track is being resurfaced at a cost of US $350,000 by track manufacturers Recaton.
We're planning to have about 16 races on the evening, as well as the long and triple, the high. We have short disc. It's a full evening of entertainment from a track and field perspective. It's actually a World Athletics Continental Tour Challenger level event, so it is world class, and we expect to do very well that day.